started this company in 1986. We were screen printers. We are catering to all small jobs. We purchased a lot of used equipment. After 10 years, we bought a brand new CD102 6+ coater and as well as SM52. After that, I became a packaging printer. 6 months back, we bought a GL Advanced 7+ coater with a UV. We are very happy with this machine. We can make ready within 10-15 minutes with a wastage of 100-120 sheets. Before that, we are using almost 400-500 sheets for wastage. Almost 90 to 120 sheets we are make ready. Even speed also, maybe the consistency of the color. And we are very happy with Komori. Before Komori GL Advance, we have a Komori Lithrone. That was maybe that is a 2004. I bought as a used equipment. I used almost 4-5 years. I'm happy with that also, the Komori brand. And I'm a lover of Komori always. And we have using another Komori presses, another small press also. We have Komori 528 and 426. We have 2 machines. Still we are running with that machines also. We have a lot of challenges from our old presses because we are printing very quality jobs like jockey. We are nominated source for jockey. That's why we are changing the machine, no? Because now we bought this machine. In that we are not facing any problem. Even we are printing the entire thing with a UV also, not a conventional. And I am very happy with what the quality is, and my wastage percentage drastically came down. Very good service is given by Komori because earlier it was with a dealership. Now Komori India came. No, we are very happy with their service. I am in this field almost 37 years. I was a used equipment dealer. I sold almost more than 120 Komoris in that 12-13 years. Yeah, that's why I know each and every part of Komori. This earlier Komori Lithrone, Komori New Lithrone, after that Komori Lithrone. Now it's a GL. I am seeing everything maybe stage by stage. Now I bought a GL with a UV 7 color. I am going to buy one more Komori as soon as possible. Bought a Komori GL. It is a value for money. I am getting back my money as early as possible. Maybe it will take maybe 5-6 years I can take back my money. Now we are printing in Komori GL, maybe almost, if it is a short runs, we are printing almost 16 to 18 jobs a day. A day means almost it's a 12 hours we are printing, and if it is a long runs, we are doing almost 120,000 sheets a day. From the beginning, my company is catering only to the garment exporters and related to garment. Now all my customers are garment customers, and it is a very high-end customers we have. We are in maybe nominated supplier for so many footwear companies like clocks and even Skechers. That's why we are moving into now is a footwear business also. Consumer electronics like mobiles and even the earpods. We are South India's very big rigid box manufacturer. Apart from that, even the quality of the proof, maybe is fantastic. No words to tell. The wash-ups, maybe the blanket wash. The wash-ups, it is very useful for us. First, we thought we are using by manual with conventional method. We thought we are saving a lot of money, but it's not right way, because here if you are using the all wash-ups, all even a roller wash, even a blanket wash, even a cylinder wash, you can use that one. Maybe we can save a lot of money and save time. We have almost 15 to 18 make readies a day. That is the maximum. Minimal also maybe 10 make readies. We don't have very long jobs like 100, 200,000. We all our jobs are maybe 20,000, 30,000, 50,000. We are planning for a 6-color plus coater and again cold foil and double coater. I'm having that also in my pipeline. Maybe it will take maybe another 1 or 2 years. We have almost 180,000 square feet we have here at the place, and we have a very good setup here. We have a huge power source. We are planning to grow next year double the fold what we are doing right now. In our Kora Pack facility, we have 5 printing presses. One is GL740, Komori GL740. We have one Komori 528 with a coater. One more machine, Komori 528 is a 4-color. SM52, it's a 4-color press. We have a very huge facility of making rigid boxes.
See, after we have installed the Komori 7-color, the production has definitely doubled and we are able to meet the customer's requirement very easily. And we have a spare capacity. Based on that, we are also taking up jobs meeting the requirements of the clients. Yeah, definitely there is a lot of improvement. The quality is consistent. That is what the customer needs now. Yes, with the new GL Komori 7-color SX press, we are very happy. The quality has improved, the turnaround time has reduced, and with PQC, with the latest PQC, we are definitely able to achieve much better results and faster results. It's very easy for the operators because it's more of graphics and it is easy to understand, and the file from pre-press is straight away sent to the PQC, which is very easy for the operators to understand. Of course, we got the brand new machine and we are very happy with the quality now.